A family in Covington is trying to raise awareness about a topic that's tough for any parent to think about.
We hear about how important organ donors are for saving lives, but we don't often hear about the littlest recipients. And Erica Ferrando is joining us in the studio with one family story. Erica?
Katie and Sharice, today I met John Thomas, a Covington dad who describes his 4-year-old daughter Ava as fun, spunky, and strong. Ava was diagnosed with cystic fibrosis at 3 weeks old, and 6 months ago her health took a quick downturn. Now they're waiting minute by minute for a call that would save her life.
Pretty incredible kid.
A 4-year-old with an infectious smile.
I say she's 4, but she's on the maturity level of probably a 6th grader. She's extremely spunky.
Ava Thomas from Covington has been letting her personality shine, even as a hospital room has turned into her home for 6 months.
We were spending Thanksgiving, in the hospital. More likely, we're going to spend Christmas in the hospital. It hits pretty hard.
Her dad, John Thomas, explains Ava has cystic fibrosis, a rare genetic disorder. People with cystic fibrosis have thick and sticky mucus, which blocks airways, damaging your lungs and traps germs, making infections more likely. But Ava has been able to stay healthy and out of the emergency room until April.
She started to have labored breathing. She had developed pneumonia in both lungs.
Doctors said she needed to be put on ECMO.
Basically gives her lungs a rest, and it takes the blood out of the body, oxygenates the blood, and then sends it back in.
It's only a temporary solution. Ava was transferred to Texas Children's Hospital in Houston 6 months ago to wait because she now needs new lungs.
Immediately. It needs to happen soon.
She's been on a transplant list.
She's top of the list. It's just very hard to find, her size lungs.
And organ donations in children.
It's not talked about.
Is a tough subject.
You never think about it when it comes to your kids. If something would have happened to your kid at that time, you're just so traumatized that you don't even think, about the organ donation aspect of it.
But it's her only hope.
It can happen at any second. It's just a waiting game.
Right now, Thomas is traveling back and forth between Houston and Covington for work while his wife stays with their daughter. She writes regular updates on a Caring Bridge website. We'll include that and the GoFundMe account that's helping this family on our website, WWLTV.com.